Hello, everyone. This is Minghang Packaging Products Company. Our factory was founded in year 2008. Today, I will take you to visit our factory with a lens. We have more than 300 workers and 1,000 glass products type. Our furnace can make 30,000 tons/year. We have 5 sets glass production line belong 6 or 4 sets single and double drip. Other semi-auto and CNC success glass machines. Also have excellent QC groups and perfect testing equipment. Credit standing paramountcy, quality first, customer satisfaction is our standard. We will offer good quality products and best service. Welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us. We have more than 14 years experience in glassware manufacturing. Customization is available. Welcome to contact us for more details.